Hello. Welcome to another edition of Johnny Stocks 212. Whether people trying to sell you something, I'm just here to find those A winners, go-getters, trend-setting companies to invest in. Thank you for joining me wherever you may be. We got a great show for you today. Today, we're doing a quick video on Gilead Sciences. So I've been getting some comments, people asking, what do I think about Gilead Sciences? Quick overview. So it's going to be a quick video today. Please read the disclaimer on your own time. So Gilead Sciences, their vision, they're trying to create a healthier world for all people. I like that. Mission to discover, develop, and deliver innovating therapeutics for people with life-threatening diseases. So that's incredible. They've been around for 35 years. Let's look at their leadership team. I've listened to Daniel O'Day, their chairman, chief executive officer. I mean, they got a lot of talented people working for Gilead. I mean, Daniel O'Day, CEO, has done a fantastic job managing this company. I mean, he basically was at Roche for 3 decades, number of executive positions. So basically they want people want to know about the pipeline. What am I excited about? So there's a few things that I really like they got going on in their pipeline. They have a vast pipeline of medications. So let's start off with hepatitis D. So hepatitis D, no real cure. This is hepatitis, problems with your liver. I mean, basically treatments like, you treat the symptoms and basically it's, avoid alcohol. But they have some really promising stuff. They have one that's already filed. This could be a cure, the syncladomide, the TL8 agonist, GS9688. I mean, that's in phase 2 trials that I'm really excited about. I want to be looking at the data for that. Hepcludex, Bilvutide is already filed, which is great. They're in phase 3 for a finite treatment. I think hopefully that will get approved. If the data shows results, that would be incredible. But both of these medications I think could be really potential, great for patients, great for investors. The other one is their HIV. So Gilead Sciences has a lot of HIV medications, and 2 of these I'm really excited about. The TRL7 agonist is in phase 2 trial. GS9620, and also GS1703. Both of these, phase 2 trial, they have a lot of data they're going to be reporting on. I'm going to continue to monitor this company, as well as other HIV meds. So they got a PrEP. This is like, right now, what's called, there are medications out there for PrEP therapy, but this capsid inhibitor, phase 3, looks very promising as well. They also have this another capsid inhibitor. They've already filed long-acting HIV treatment for heavily treatment-experienced people living with HIV. One of the problems with HIV is, some patients, adherence is a big thing. You got to be taking those medications all the time, and those medications sometimes people can get resistant to the medication. So we really need to, these companies like Gilead, they got to keep coming up with other molecules that can, work on the virus, and hopefully patients don't get resistant to those medications. So these are really some promising stuff I'm really excited about. I'm going to be following the company, looking at the clinical trials, see what the data is reporting, what's the clinical outcomes, do they meet the primary outcomes, are they comparing it to the standard of care. So I'm definitely going to be following Gilead Sciences. Let's go to the stock price. So I do think the stock price is a bit high. Stock symbol GLD. GLD is the stock symbol. GILD. GILD is the stock symbol. At the time of this video, the stock's trading at $65 a share. I do think this may come down a little bit, but I will look to add, because I think that, maybe in the $50 range, this is a 3x return. Hopefully, it depends on that. I want to see what results they get in those phase 2 studies and their phase 3 studies. The hepatitis D, I think, is a big market, and I definitely think a lot of patients would benefit from that. HIV, it's a really terrible virus, terrible disease. Gilead has done a remarkable job with some of their medications in that, and if they have another breakthrough with hepatitis, that would be phenomenal. I'm definitely going to monitor this company. I still think there's a lot of opportunity here. They have a lot of data reporting. That's all the time we have today. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps the YouTube channel. And again, I hope you have a wonderful evening. Thanks for watching.